Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Look at this thing. Man, I lost my train of thought. This is a 20-foot wide Lunar Walls Expanse 2.0 product. And right now we're running NBA 2K26. I've seen a lot of video walls and a lot of environments. This has got to be one of the best environments and best builds I've seen. Modus AV really just took this out of the park. So we're actually in a sports bar. This is called the Stadium Room, and they've basically set up like legit stadium seating here. And I've got a Asus ROG Scar 16. Uh-oh, here we go. I actually don't even know how to play this game. Look at this view. I've literally got the entire scope, full width, no problem. I've got stands, I've got bleachers. I'm sure some of you are better at this game than I am and know how to manipulate it and get different views and stuff like that. But, oh, this is really an illustration of just what's possible with our video walls from Lunar Walls. In an environment like this, first of all, like there's no shadow puppets. And if you'll notice, there's no seams on this wall either. So, typically if you had a really large TV, you would have, one actually kind of almost the size of this inset on the canvas here. That would be one TV size in a 16:9, but we've actually doubled that with our Expanse 2.0 product with Lunar Walls. So, and we're not even running full 4K on this system right now. It's actually only 1080p, but it still looks really, really good. Now, I want to talk to you about other ways that you could use a setup like this. In this restaurant, they use it for live stream games, obviously. So, people can come in here, sit down, kick their feet up, order some wings, get some refreshments, and enjoy just the best way to do sports. Gaming is just one of those ways. It happens to be one of my favorites, but there's so many different ways that you can use this. And I need to highlight the people who made this possible. So this was created and put together by Modus AV here in Atlanta, and these guys are doing an incredible job. This is not something that is super simple to put together. It takes a lot of effort. There's a lot of craftsmanship that have just gone into building even like the niche for this wall, the backlighting, how the wiring is done. There's 55 cat cables that are coming from all the way across the other side of the restaurant over here to make this possible. And then we have inputs that are also going from here, where I've got my gaming system set plugged in, all the way back to the other side of the restaurant as well, where our processor is located. And then the game view system that this is on is just incredible. So, you know what? I think I'm kind of done talking now, and I just want to sit back and just play some games. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. Enjoy.